black clouds certainly looming.
Got it in one, Sophie. Yes, it may be sunny outside your window, but we've learned, haven't we, over the last couple of days that sunshine is not to be relied upon. And once again, there are some really sharp showers knocking about across the UK. Really hit and miss through this afternoon. You might get lucky, you might get very wet. You can see the extent of the cloud through this morning. A whole rash of showers across many areas. In actual fact, what's happening is the threat of showers is moving further northwards. So although things will dry out across parts of Yorkshire and Lancashire through this afternoon, some really nasty storms across the far north of England and parts of Scotland, the Highlands of the Grampians. Now the Met Office is warning of some severe conditions locally. Torrential downpours. Go online or click the red button for more details on those. And some storms across Northern Ireland as well, some thunder and some lightning, but some bright spells in between. And further south through Wales, I think the shower threat diminishes, increasing amounts of sunshine, bright and breezy end of the day here. And it's a similar story for southwest England. I'm not ruling out the odd shower, but there's plenty of sunshine. Quite cool on the beach with that breeze, but in some showers they're not too bad. 1 or 2 showers across southern England, but pleasant in London, 23 degrees. Many southern counties avoiding the showers through the second half of the day. Now as we go to the evening, so some of those showers rumble on across northern areas, but eventually they will die away, and by around about midnight it'll be dry in most places. Broken cloud, 1 or 2 mist patches perhaps, so cooling off a touch, not desperately cold, but around about 11 or 12 in our major towns and cities by dawn. So what about Thursday then? Well, a bright, fresh, sunny start in some places, but once more, you guessed it, showers developing. They'll become quite widespread for a time. Very hit and miss once more, some places avoiding them, some places seeing quite a few sharp showers. And then a change across the far southwest of England, turning more generally cloudy and wet, a sign of things to come. Similar temperatures to those we've experienced recently, high teens, low 20s, 24 in London. The Open starts in Turnberry. Risk of a shower or two, I think, particularly through the morning, but light winds, so not bad golfing weather. And I'm hopeful at Lord's we'll see plenty of play. The risk of 1 or 2 showers, but largely fine for the Ashes. And then it's all changed tomorrow night. A deepening area of low pressure across the Bay of Biscay, a lot of moisture and the threat of some very wet weather Thursday night into Friday, particularly across England and Wales. Could be an inch or 2. Quite disruptive rainfall and very strong and cold winds as well. Some uncertainty about the detail, but this is where the worst, the coldest, the wettest weather will be, somewhat drier and brighter further west. Now there's a bit of uncertainty and online over the next day or so, but the threat is there for some